Hello, ForexMilitia. This is Preston, but from here on in, I'm going to call myself Parsival. The reason for that is because I'm in a search for the Holy Grail, but of course, the Holy Grail in trading doesn't exist. But I'm going by Parsival now, so now I will uh, introduce myself now as Parsival. So right now I have a setup here on the Euro Kiwi, and basically it looks like the Kiwi is doing two things right now. Right here on the daily, it is going short. If you looked at my last video, I will leave a card in the top of this video. I gave you guys a technique to find some of the bank's targets, um, the targets of the big banks, and I use two different techniques, one called a BBD and the other called a BBR. Right now on the daily, on the Aussie Kiwi, we have a BBR, and I'm going to draw the targets that I would get from the BBR onto this chart, this daily chart of the Aussie Kiwi. And as you can see, we got the crossover of the MACD, and this is going down into what is a support zone given by FXSSI. They have a support and resistance zone creator that shows up on your charts when an area of price action is continuously hit. So this one says this area of support has basically been hit 6 times, so it shows up. So the first target right here is the 618, and the second target that I use is the 100, which by coincidence shows up to be over here, back here, at a resistance. A former resistance now turns support. So that's kind of interesting. Okay, all that taken in, there is another setup that I do see on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame, hold on, let me take this off. I have a BBD on the weekly. On the Aussie Kiwi, I have a BBD. This basically is setting up to basically say that this is going to go long. So you have two opposing positions, one on the daily time frame that says it's going to go short, and one on the weekly time frame that says it's going to go long. So how do I choose which way to go? Alright, I'm going to show you. Over here on the sentiment, which is something that I use, it says that the retail traders are 75% short and only 25 are long. This is on FX Book. Over here on FX Blue, it says that 24% and 75%. This 24 is long and 75% is short. So this is a contrarian indicator, and with this indicator I am looking to go long. The reason being is because the pools of liquidity that the market makers, that the big banks look for, are up here, long. This is where most of the retail traders have put their stops. And this creates a way for the banks to either take profit or to basically fund the accounts that they are basically looking to enter. So that's just a little look at what I'm basically looking to do with this trade. So the decision is to take this trade long, the Aussie Kiwi long, and following the BBD setup, I'm looking for my first take profit to be somewhere around here, 1.111. It's like 110. So up here is where I'm looking to take my first profit. Now this right here is a zone of resistance, and the take profit is just a little bit above that, but I've traded it enough to basically see that it can possibly break through this right here and get to this point right here. So that's a little setup that I basically wanted to share with you guys. It's a Forex maneuver. It's the daily Aussie Kiwi. I wanted to also ask you guys to subscribe, like, and comment on this video to, maybe you see something that I didn't see, but this is the way how I trade. Like I said, all the stops are up here, so I'm taking it long. Also, I am also going to give a disclaimer, something that I haven't added to these videos yet. I am not a financial advisor. Please consult a financial advisor before you actually take any of these positions. This is for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. With that, I want to say, knowledge is power. Be power hungry, and power to the people. See you in the next video, guys.